Hi, I want to give a quick demo of the mock interview functionality of AceUnlock. So in this screen, you have a form where you have basic information, name of the job title, so Principal Solutions Architect, and for 5 minutes. So let's say the next step, name of the company, and also a job description. So you have to put a job description here, click next, and then in this final step, I have to give access to the camera and microphone. And then I hit submit. Okay, so I'm now ready to go into the interview. So I'm going to join the interview.
Hi, Sam Sirkang. Welcome to the Principal Solutions Architect interview. My name is Chris, and I will be conducting your interview. So, are you ready to start this interview?
Hey, Chris, I'm ready for the interview.
Excellent. Let's begin. Given your application for the Principal Solutions Architect position, I'd like to start with a high-level question. Could you describe a complex digital transformation initiative you've led? Specifically focusing on how you develop the technical strategy and manage stakeholder expectations throughout the process.
Yeah, so the digital transformation that I led was for a major airlines in North America. Basically, they had monolithic systems and they wanted to modernize it. So basically had to go through assessment of their current system and working with different stakeholders in product management, as well as the key technical stakeholders.
Thank you for sharing that example. Could you dive deeper into the specific architectural decisions you made during this airline transformation? For instance, what was your approach to breaking down the monolith, and how did you prioritize which components to modernize first?
Yeah, that's a great question. So to break down the monolith, I had to look at different modules or the different systems in place. So basically, we were dealing with a flight booking system. There was also an authentication system. So basically understanding the different systems and then breaking it down into separate services.
I see. When implementing these microservices for the airline, how did you handle data consistency and transaction management across services, especially considering that flight bookings typically require strong consistency? Also, what patterns or technologies did you implement to ensure system reliability?
Okay, I'm going to end the interview here by clicking on end. So as you can see, you get this very back and forth, free-flowing interview. So I'll see get feedback. I'll push that button. And it's basically looking at my transcript and trying to understand the responses. So look at the strength. It says you demonstrate a clear understanding of digital transformation process, highlighting the need to assess current system and engage with stakeholders. So that's a good thing. And then weaknesses, some of your responses lack depth and clarity. So because I didn't go too much into detail, it says practice articulating your technical approach more clearly. So areas for improvement and for follow-ups, how did you ensure data consistency and transaction management across services? So those are very good questions and feedback. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next demo.